Alright guys, 2005 Ford Focus. Today's task, we will be replacing the belt tensioner and idler pulley. Alright guys, we get the tensioner right here. It's got two bolts to remove, one right here and one on the top there. Okay, so I already got the one on the bottom, so I'm working on the one on the top. Okay, we will also replace the you know, that idler pulley right there. Okay. Okay, I think I can get my tools in there. Alright, as you can see, I'm using a 10 millimeter open wrench right there, 12 point, and then here's that extension right there. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna have to remove the the engine mount on this one, and this one right here, to get to the idler pulley. Alright. So we're gonna pull this thing out of the way, just like that. Okay. Now we need to remove the engine mount. Alright, sounds like we're gonna have to remove the whole engine mount right there. Okay. Alright, here you go. That's got long bolts. Look how long that one is. This is the idler pulley. Alright, as you can see, I have to remove this and reuse it. Okay. And it's long bolt. This is the new idler pulley, so here's the parts. Now we want to transfer it to the new one. Okay. And it's got the plastic lock right here, so I just push it in, screw it in, like just like that. Okay. Alright, now we're ready to install it. Okay. Alright, so I don't have an assistant, so it's gonna be hard for you, for me to show you, you know. But let me just show you where it goes. It goes right there. Alright, it goes right in that area over here, in that area right there. Okay. Okay, just need to tighten them up. There's my tools. It's a 10 millimeter. Right there. Alright. It's all tight. Not a lot of room. Okay. Alright, after starting it by hand, now we are ready to use our power tool. idler pulley is installed. Now we're waiting for the belt tensioner to come in, and we'll install it when it comes in. Alright guys, so we are installing the new parts. The belt tensioner, there's two bolts. There's one right here, one right there, and one right, oh yeah, one right here. So, yeah, right there. Okay. Alright, here's the new belt tensioner, and we're putting it in. Just like that. Alright, so it's like the bolts is in on the bottom. Now I just need to put the bolts on the top part and tighten it tight. Alright, here's the belt tensioner. I got the one bolt up already. Now I need to put the other bolt, the top bolts in there, tighten them up, and it should be ready to go. Alright, it's going in. Alright, the belt tensioner is now installed. And thank you for watching my video.